Kiama gia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i yokabeire omorai kiama waso yokabeire omokonyi obomorai bwense omokoro Rigathi Gachagua omorai kiama gia Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka omorai kiama gia DAP Kenya Eugene Wamalwa egati Abarai banda bange berombe ya United Alternative Government nigo bakora Enkwana n'abaliki omugasolero asomo bagani oyomo emeye county ya Kisii na gusanga igoro y'eserekari GOTUMEKA ABABEGU nabo igo abanyanyimbo GOTURUBANIA emerobere yabo yogosanga n'abanainchi borogongo rwagusi abweli tkoligoro nigo bagikire serikali ase okoirera abanto gwesiria magimabo anene mono abasae na gwanchira nabuna abanainchi barosire ne serikali erabisi kurengana na Gachagua nigamuchirie mwaziri w'oburendi bweme nabo igomo bisomo nene bw'oburendi ase okobetereria abanyanyimbo GOTURUBANIA emeroberio yabo asensemo ya Kalonzo Musyoka nabo igo Eugene Wamalwa nigo bono bamuchirie serikali asogote babuna tebwati agenda nakogania basae gotiga gotumekwa bobe mulikito Petro Machini na mange
magiga y'eserikali ya Kenya kwanza gukabirwa kubeko koboko asogosira ababegu nabo igabanya nyimbo eri GOTURUBANIA omurobiri ochagetwa sorogongo rwagusi ritukurigora asa matukatato nero meyo kwa mere serikali bakora mokonyi bomurai bw'ekiama gia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i baukwane kirekyo bakora Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo reire eganka yomurobiri yo asokumerana n'abananchi riko sangamangana abatungetie.
We are here because we want to interact with Kenyans and wananchi of this part of the country, and also to give hope and assurance to our people, both here and at large in the nation, that we are determined and ready to work together to bring about the necessary change to our country. In doing so, we don't have personal grudges with people. We are basically doing what we have to do. We chose democracy as a people, multi-party democracy. What that means is that everyone has an opportunity to engage, and everyone has an opportunity to participate and persuade people along political lines. It is very sad, some of the things that we are seeing here, where people want to use violence as a means of political intimidation and so on.
Nigo bagikire eserekari asokoirera abantu gosiria magimabo animana basae na wanchira nabuna abananchi barosire ne serikali rabisi.
6 decades after independence, we cannot lose lives because we are trying to help certain people survive in their political offices as it is. We need every life. One life is one life too many.
Kwa sababu hatuwezi endelea namna hii. Kama wananchi wamekataa serikali, wameikataa. Na wameikataa kwa sababu imeshindwa na kasi. Waliingia kwa serikali with the understanding that they are going to make Kenya better. But over the years, the years they have been there, it is total destruction. Everything that was working has been completely destroyed.
Kurengana na Gachagua nigo amuchirie omwaziri w'oburendi bw'eme nabo igomo bisomo nene bwensemo y'oburendi asokubetereria abanyanyimbo GOTURUBANIA emeroberi yabo.
Yesterday, the police here in Busiland were under a lot of pressure from Murkomen and Molo to allow goons to disrupt our meetings, and the police are resisting. In Nakuru, the police are under a lot of pressure from CS Murkomen to work with the goons to disrupt our meetings on Friday and Saturday, and the police are saying no. I want to tell Murkomen and William Ruto, you don't have enough ammunition to kill 50 million Kenyans. If the police refuse to protect wananchi, the country can easily slide into anarchy because people will defend themselves. It's in the law. Self-defense is allowed. And I think the rest of Kenyans have seen the people of Eserekari-Kisii. They don't allow anybody to disrupt their meetings. So the rest of Kenya, now you have seen. You must go the Kisii way.
Asensema Kalonzo Musyoka na bego Eugene Wamalwa nigo bona bamuchirie serikali asogote bona nigo hotabwa cha agenda ndeyonsi asababoria basae gotiga GOTUMEKA obe na kuboria abantu gosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i.
The reality as we speak this morning is the country is galvanized on one agenda, that William Ruto will serve one term, if indeed he is allowed to serve that one term. And the reasons are clear. He has accused us of having no agenda. Agenda item number 1 is to return this country to constitutional order, to observance of the rule of law, under the supreme law of the land, Constitution 2010, which William Ruto and his officers seem geared towards dismembering.
Let's ask the youth of Kenya to be part of this change. Why is it that the people of Kisii are saying one term? All the promises William Ruto made here, right from the dams. I was Minister for Water, Bunyunyu Dam, Magwagwa Dam, nothing has been done to complete these dams that will transform this region and ensure that the water issues, food production issues, food security issues are sorted out, have not been done. And we're asking you, ndugu zetu, tuungane, tutembee pamoja. Jana umetupa kiongozi shupavu Dr. Fred Matiang'i, tunaomba nyote msimame nyuma yake, tushikane pamoja, bega kwa bega, tutembee pamoja, tumtoe huyu bwana Kasongo.
Kuripotia Ensoko TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Chepethuel Machin.
Ekero etaro